have hope in your nation. Nigeria is for all of us. The bigger Nigeria is the best thing ever that can happen to Nigeria. We don't need to balkanize this country. You don't know what you've got having this nation called Nigeria. Our diversity should be our strength and not our albatross. The diversity we have is the best thing that ever happened to this nation. Let us make it work. Let us not engage in playing games. Let us not engage in stigmatization of ethnicities. Let us work as Nigerians. America is the melting pot of all ethnicities in the world. You have Igbo America, Yoruba America, Hausa America, Fulani America, and Anglo America from England, Russo America from Russia, and all over the world. Yet, when they get these passports, they profess America. However, in my country, with all our diversity, the first thing we profess is our ethnicity. I'm Igbo, I'm Yoruba, I'm Hausa. Can we stop this? This country can be better than it is. It is not the fault of government. It's not your fault. It is collective effort of all of us that can make it work, not just government alone. I want you to have hope in your nation. I want you to have hope. Do not lose hope. Do not feel that the worst has come to happen. We've passed through this stage before. Let our diversity be our strength, and this country will remain great. God bless you, and God continue to bless you. Thank you all.
La, 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 la.